Hello guys, this is Makeda Markets here. Um, Here because I wanted to show you the Team BYOB website that you get when you join up with our team. So Team BYOB is actually a thriving community of over 1,000 entrepreneurs who are actively building their own brands using digital marketing tools on the internet. As somebody that has joined my team, you have access to this website. So you'll have this website which will be customized to you, that you'll be able to share on, to get people on your Builderall team. Here you can see you have my name here in the URL, and subsequently, once you join, your name will be added to the database, and you will get a website that looks just like mine. I just wanted to show you some of the cool things that you get. This is our membership website. So here you can see that you have a members login button. This members login button is going to be your Builderall credentials that you'll be entering here. As you can see, mine's already saved. And here you can see you get thrown into this back office, which is cool. Here you can see you have an opportunity to check out different trainings. We have things that are coming up as well. And also what's cool here is you can chat with a virtual assistant. All of these tools, so you know, have been built with the Builderall platform. And this is in addition to the groups that you get put into where you can ask personal questions to, like I said, over 1,000 active entrepreneurs that are all building their brands online. So one of the advantages of joining my team and having joined my team is that you do now have this website that allows you to get more access to, get you access to training, okay? If you have any questions, you know how to reach out to me. Here you can see you have not just a toolkit that is added, but also this is another website. This is one of our Facebook groups that you have to ask as many questions as you would like. Thank you. And be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, I have plenty of YouTube training for Builderall and lots more coming.